So it's been a busy day. Got up early this morning, went on a 2-hour hike, came back to the RV. I've been editing for the last couple of hours, and now, I can't believe it. It's getting close to dinner time, and I am starving. We need something fun and hearty for dinner tonight, and I've got the perfect thing. Are you ready? Ha! Let's do this. Woo! It is that time of the night, time to start thinking about dinner, and tonight we're going to do something fun and slightly fancy, something that basically you'd love to have when you're watching a game at home, just chilling out. We're going to do some crack chili fries for dinner. Yeah, the whole thing for dinner. And it starts with making crack fries at home in the air fryer. Our crack fries start off by cutting down a russet potato. We then soak them in water for a little bit, get our air fryer started, get it nice and warm, and heat it. In a bowl, we'll take the dried potatoes, a little olive oil, and some Old Bay. That's really the crack in all of this. We'll get them into the air fryer and get that heated. I like to go about 350 for, I think, about 15 minutes or so. I'll check them again, and if need be, we'll keep them in a little longer. You want to make sure you have a nice kind of dark consistency with your fries. Once they're done, you pull them out, check it. They taste so good. And then you want to finish off one more time with a little bit of olive oil and some more Old Bay. You can never have enough Old Bay in these crack fries. And then for this trip, we're going to put them in a container after we shake this up. And then the crack fries will be ready for us to use moving forward. So with the fries done and ready, we've chilled them, brought them here to the RV. It's now time to start making the chili, and we're going to do that with equal parts chorizo and ground beef. So the first thing into the pan, we're going to put a little olive oil, start getting that hot, and then we're going to add in some chopped onions and chopped green peppers, start to soften those first, and then we'll add equal parts ground beef and chorizo. Into the sauteed vegetables, we added equal parts chorizo and ground beef. We also touched it with the first elements of spice, a little salt and pepper, and some chili powder. We're going to let that cook down for a while, and then we're going to add in some minced garlic and a half a can of crushed tomatoes. Let's go. The chili is cooking well. It's starting to meld together. We mixed it up a little bit, still breaking down. This is now where we add the rest of our spices. So we're gonna put some more chili powder in. We're gonna add just a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. We're gonna add some crushed red pepper. Love that extra heat in there. And then we're gonna add some mustard, some ketchup, and here's one of my secret ingredients, a little bit of coffee. We're gonna mix that all up and let that start to simmer. So everything is in the pot. It's now time just to let the chili cook. You can let it cook as long as you want. I try to give it at least 20 to 30 minutes since I'm going to use this tonight. Normally when I make chili, I love to make it one night, put it in the freezer actually, and then use it the next day. But for this, we're going to do everything in one day. You want to try to get your stove to the lowest heat possible so it's just a long, slow simmer. If it seems like it's too hot and you have two burners, one of the things I will do is I'll cook it as low as I can on one burner and then periodically take it off, just set it onto the other burner that's not on, just let it cool for a little bit and put it back on the slow burner to try to get it cooked as long as I can at a slow and low temperature. The chili is ready. Now it's time to reheat the crack fries. What I'm going to do is put them into a pan with a little bit of olive oil, make sure the pan is screaming hot, and just kind of toast them a little bit. They've already been cooked at home in the air fryer. Now we just want to warm them up and get them ready to get the chili on, the cheese, sour cream. We're getting close to a great meal. Oh, and because they're crack fries, we're gonna throw some extra Old Bay on them. Can never hurt. Everything is done. It's now time to plate up. We've got to get the crack fries into the bowl. We're gonna add our chili, some cheese, some sour cream. We're about to have a feast. A big feast. And voila, there you have it. We've got chili crack fries. I've got a Sapporo beer. I've got some sparkling water, which I'll have. And later, we're going to watch one of my favorite movies, Big Night. It's about food. This is about food. Let's dive in and see how it turned out. The chili is perfect. The crack fries make this. You could do it with regular fries. You could do it with frozen fries, but these crack fries are perfect. And then the sour cream and cheese. Just rounds out everything. I'll put a link to how you do all of this down below. I think it's something that you may want to try. It's definitely fun to do and definitely delicious. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can always follow me on my website at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, chef it up, have fun, do something like this, pull out a great movie to watch, and enjoy your evening. This is the way to end the day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.